My name is Sudhaama and I am a holistic nutritionist and a health coach. I help people reverse their lifestyle diseases with the help of plant-based nutrition. I also help restaurants and hotels to include healthy, oil-free, dairy-free vegan dishes in their menu. So we are here at this beautiful resort, Pragati Resort, where TV Rao sir is helping us discover this beautiful place. We went on this nature walk where we experienced this beautiful waterfall, and he has a lovely compound here. It's a huge area full of nature, full of life, and full of all the vibrant colors of nature. We from the Plant-Based Wellness Foundation have come here for this retreat for 5 days, and we are having a lovely time here because there's so much of support from all the staff members to prepare healthy food which they've never prepared before, but they are always willing to learn from us and cater to our needs as needed. So we've been cooking every dish oil-free for all the meals over the past 5 days, and we've not used a single drop of oil, ghee or butter. We've also not used any dairy products which are so harmful for our health because they have so much of cholesterol in them. And even for the desserts, we did not use any sugar. Instead, we used dates, which are natural foods and which have a lot of fiber in them, a lot of nutrition, vitamins, minerals. It's packed with all the beautiful things that Mother Nature designed for us. Instead of using foods which are processed and refined, we use everything in the whole form without any refining, without any processing, so that whatever fiber has been given by nature to us, we can use it, because fiber is so important for our health, especially for our gut health. Fiber keeps us fuller for longer, and we don't feel very hungry very often when we eat food which is not processed. So all the recipes we are making without any oil, and even when we fry our onions and tomatoes, instead of adding oil, we just add a little bit of salt, so that when we fry the onions, it will release its water and then it will cook in its own juice. So that juice acts as oil. And when we have to fry anything, instead of frying, we can bake the things, we can air fry them, and we can also steam them to cook them nicely. So when we steam the vegetables instead of frying, we are retaining all the nutrition and we are retaining all the natural color of the vegetables. And colors are so important. Humans are the creatures who can see all the different colors of the rainbows. And all these different colors have different phytonutrients which boost our immunity. So we are trying to include more and more colors in our food and make our food very nutritious, very healthy. And we are so glad, so happy that we chose this Pragati resort here in Hyderabad, and we are looking forward to many more such retreats.